Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Laratips. In today's video, we'll be looking at a new feature that has been introduced in Laravel 11, which is encryption key rotation. Let me show you that. So here we have encryption section in Laravel, and let me show you by encrypting and decrypting a string. So here in the web.php, I have this route, encrypt and decrypt. Whatever we pass from the data will encrypt that string, and whatever we have passed on the data in this decrypt route, then we'll decrypt that string. So now here we'll go over here and let's say encrypt and let's say data equals to Laratips like this. So we get this value over here, okay? And I'm copying this value and I'm here, instead of writing encrypt, I am writing here decrypt. And instead of Laratips, I'll pass the value, that encrypted value, and if I hit enter, we are getting the Laratips value because it is decrypting the string which has been encrypted previously. For the encryption and decryption of these values, Laravel uses environment variable key. So if you see here .env, Laravel uses this key to encrypt and decrypt. But let's say due to some security reasons, you might want to change this key. If you remember, a while ago there was some security issue in Laravel, so Laravel team suggested everyone to change their key. But let's say if you changed this key now, then all the encrypted data that you might have stored in the database will be invalid. So to solve this issue, we have now encryption key rotation. For that, just duplicate this and let us add this, okay? So if you see here, this app previous keys, we'll just add this. So this will be our previous key like this, and now we'll just run php artisan key generate like this, and if we run this, then the environment application key will be changed. But let's say we haven't done this before, then if I come here and refresh the page, we are getting this MAC invalid because our app key has changed. But if we add it like this with the previous key over here and come here and refresh, then we'll get the actual value. So what do you think about this feature, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.